everyone, this is Jodi with Imperative Education, and this video goes with your 2021 agreements sheet. So whether you got it via email or you printed it and you're going to be writing on it directly, have it handy. Let me just start by saying, this has been a tough while, hasn't it, for everybody? So I think that we counter difficulties and even like thinking about the difficulties ahead of us by doing what we can and controlling what we can. Now, can we control others? No. Can we control a pandemic? No. What can we control, or who can we control? I think you know the answer. It's you. And even that is very, very hard, because even as I'm telling you right now that you could control yourself, you go, yeah, but I can't because I end up doing stuff that really upsets me, and I get mad at myself. That's all of us. We all do that. So let's let that go and let's come to the beginning of this new year with positivity and with hope that we can make some agreements with ourselves, for ourselves, to have a good year, to control what we can. Now, as you know, you really can't control others. Can't control the pandemic. Can't control the weather. Can't control your parents. Can't control very much. But who can you control? You. But it doesn't just happen. We kind of have to plan for it. So the 2021 agreements is for you to really think about your life and take a good amount of time focusing on yourself, focusing on things that you've tried in the past that you liked, but didn't continue because you didn't think you were good at, or things that you're interested in but were too afraid to try. Well, this might just be the very time and the very year that you're going to push yourself beyond your comfort zone to try new things, to change in ways that make you proud of you, right? So please use the sheet, answer freely. This is your document for you to control your life and have more power over your actions. So from day to day, you might choose to sleep more, to eat better, to exercise a bit, to try out for a team, to try to befriend someone that you've always been interested in befriending, but we're always too afraid, to approach. So there's all sorts of things that you could be doing to better your life, and you would be amazed at what an impact the smallest of changes makes. So take a nice amount of time to write out all of your 2021 agreements with yourself, and then set it aside for a bit and notice how things shift and change. You got this. I have you in my heart. You have you in your heart. And do what you can to make 2021 a year you can be proud of and look back on with, delight and with joy and with pride. So go to it, and I really hope you enjoy this lesson. I know that it's worked for me. So all the best in 2021 for you.